Hello everyone, Paul here. Today I'm going to be going over how to use, now I might have made a video about this in the past, but I kind of want to go over how to use the Andean Oscillator to kind of find the moments, and we'll look at the S&P 500. I kind of want to just go over the S&P 500 today, but you know how to find moments of when to get in and when to get out. We're going to base this off of the hour. Now, if you saw my previous video where I talk about the US 30, the US 30 is a little bit more volatile than, but if you trade the US 30, you'll probably get a general idea of what SPY is doing as well, because you know how the US 30 is acting is pretty much the same way that SPY is probably going to be acting, except SPY will be acting in probably a little bit less volatile way. So anyway, it's good to know. And if you want to trade SPY, it's also good to know and understand where the US 30 is going and how it's moving. So it's good to understand the charts of the US 30 as well, because you'll get a better understanding of where the market is going for that day. But anyway, we're going to be looking at SPY. We're going to be looking at we'll look at the hour. We'll look at the best ways, but basically how to plug in the Andean Oscillator and how to find some pretty good moments to get in. Find one, we've seen them that is green. I want to find one that's red. But anyway, we see it cross right here. There's going to be small ones, there's going to be big ones. So, crosses right here. Get in, and you get out. This is $360, and yeah, it's about about almost $400. So if you did this in Forex as well, you would have made $800. So we want to focus. I want to find a bearish moment, but let's see, there's just a lot of bullish moments here. Crosses up on the green, come in right here. So here to here. This is 2 days. I don't want to do 2 days. I want to try and do this per day so you can just collect your profits. I don't hold my trades. I don't try to hold my trades longer than a day. But that's just me. So this move right here is $554. So let's just look and see and skim through, see if we see any time it turned bearish. See, we got a bearish here. We got one right here. So I want to show you guys what to look for. When it happens like this, you see the red line crossing. This is a bearish moment. This is a put. So this is when you would enter. It's the same thing, but you would enter here. You would do your put, and then if you were doing it on Forex, you would do a short. You would write it out here. Here to about here. It's the same thing, and you would have made $416. So that's kind of how you do it, and how to really master and how to find good moments with SPY. Now, what I would recommend doing here, you always want to base your trades where the direction is going. So make sure you always look at the 6-hour chart and read the last couple candles and see the direction that it's been going over for the last 12 hours. Never go against the trend. So when you do this on the hour, you want to go with the trend. So just keep that in mind. So when you do this, you can do this strategy, because this is the only strategy that you can go on Robinhood and you can do contracts with SPY, and then you can go over on Forex and you can do the same thing. But if you want to get the same amount of pay from what we looked at in the numbers, you would have to do a 0.10 with Forex with your lots to get the same amount of pay that you would get doing an option contract with SPY. So if you want to get the same pay by doing the same trade, by getting paid twice, you would have to do it at a 0.10. So just make sure your Forex account has enough to cover that. So, like I said, this strategy is not 100%, so just be careful of that. And also, I don't do this strategy. I personally don't do this strategy when it's CPI data day, or there's some important event with the market, or mainly it's CPI data day. I do not trade on those days because the market goes crazy. Anyway, other than that, this is a very helpful strategy, and if you do this successfully, you can actually get paid twice. So anyway, this is a good way to actually double your money by trading SPY with the contracts on Robinhood, and then doing the same thing with Forex with SPX. So if you understand the direction, you can read the chart once and get paid twice. But anyway, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I also want to mention that I do have a Discord now. Right now it's open to anybody that wants to join. I post screenshots on where I think the market's going on different assets, and it's a way to talk to me more one-on-one. But anyway, definitely check out my Discord. Right now it's open to everybody. I'll put the link below if you guys want to join. Anyway, I want to try and build a community of traders. But anyway, other than that, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. See you guys. Future videos.